Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious creme brulee tart. First, let's prepare our tart crust. You'll need a simple short crust pastry, combining flour, cold butter, a touch of sugar, and 1 egg yolk. Press this dough into a 9-inch tart pan, making sure it's evenly distributed. Then, blind bake it at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes until it's beautifully golden brown and ready for the filling. Next, we'll create the star of our tart, the creamy custard filling. In a saucepan, gently warm 2 cups of heavy cream, 1 cup of whole milk, and a split vanilla bean until it just simmers. In a separate bowl, whisk together 8 egg yolks and half a cup of granulated sugar until light and fluffy. Slowly pour the warm cream into the egg mixture, whisking continuously to temper the eggs and prevent scrambling. This ensures a smooth, silky custard. Now it's time to bake our tart to perfection. Carefully pour the tempered custard into your pre-baked tart shell, straining it through a fine mesh sieve for an extra smooth texture. Place the tart pan into a larger baking dish and fill the larger dish with hot water, creating a water bath. Bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 to 50 minutes. The custard should be set around the edges but still have a slight wobble in the center. Finally, for that signature creme brulee finish. Once baked, let your tart cool completely at room temperature, then chill it in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours, or preferably overnight. Just before serving, sprinkle an even layer of granulated sugar over the chilled custard. Use a kitchen torch to caramelize the sugar until it forms a beautiful, crisp, golden brown crust. Slice and enjoy your homemade creme brulee tart.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.